If you own the Oculus Quest, a accessory that I personally recommend and have been using, especially if you're cursed like how I am, where you have to wear prescription glasses and you don't have access to contact, your best next option is to buy a prescription custom lens for your VR headset. On the Quest 1, originally I recommended VR Wave, which is a company that makes these awesome adapters that magnetically attach the prescription lens on like so, and it's easy to remove. So if you have a buddy that also wants to try your VR headset but you don't want to go through the hassle of removing these adapters, you can literally just pop this out, and the outer ring also acts as a cover. It will actually add some protection. Now yes, some folks may be able to get away by just using the Oculus spacer that's included on the Oculus Quest 1 and the Quest 2 headset, but depending on your frame, on the Quest 2, for my personal usage, the face bracket, this part, is a little bit too tight. So tight that when I remove the VR headset, it stays on like so. It's not annoying, but it definitely is an inconvenience. But luckily for me, VR Wave is now producing the adapter for the Quest 2. Now mine is the older version, but on their website, the newer adapter is much slimmer and has more space around the nose area, which was a small minor complaint that I originally had when I used their adapter on the Quest 1. So yes, this is the prescription lens that I use on my VR headset on both the Quest 1 and the Quest 2. They worked extremely well. So well in fact that I'm making another dedicated video about the quick update on how it performs on the Quest 2. Now the way it attaches on is very similar to like how it was on the Oculus Quest 1. You simply just pop it into place. This is a video that they recently posted. This is, I'm assuming, is how the new bracket will look like. It's a lot slimmer. Same 3-point magnets as it originally was on the Quest 1. And once it's installed, it stays on really well. You can shake the headset as much as you want. Unless you shake it violently, these won't easily fall off. And even while playing like high intense motion games like Beat Saber or Pistol Whip as a fine example, while dodging, moving around quickly, not once had the lens came off while wearing the VR headset. And the field of view without having the side frames is definitely noticeable and really does make you appreciate and feel more immersed when VR gaming. So based from other prescription lens that you can purchase for your VR headset, depending on your prescription, their price is very competitive. And if you use this code upon checkout, this was used on the Quest 1, you can still use it on the Quest 2. But currently, at the time making this video, Generation 2, which is the Oculus Quest 2, is currently available, but in the near future, they'll be making the adapter once again for the Quest 1. I think this is because the whole pandemic that's currently happening, so it's pushing back orders and such. So as soon as you place your order, it may take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. Just be patient. But once you place your order, you'll receive an email, but it's also recommended to email them an image of your prescription so everything can be verified before it gets produced and shipped out to you, so there won't be any delays. And people with progressive bifocal or trifocal eyewear, make sure you use the distance prescription. But besides that, if you're looking for an awesome prescription lens, this is the one that I personally use on my VR headset. I have no regrets whatsoever. Again, the only reason I choose this over others is because the ability to just easily be able to take it off like so and allow others to use your VR headset is just wonderful. Instead of having to remove everything again and risking possibly damaging your lens, as this outer border also acts as a bumper to give the lens a little bit more protection of your Oculus Quest to prevent any scratches or other damages to occur. So that's the reason why I kept using VR Waves over other competitors out there in the market. And they also make prescription lens for the Vine Index as well. There you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned as I got the Oculus Quest accessory video coming out in the near future, which will include the VR Waves prescription lens, but I'll go ahead and include others, as well as give my overall thoughts about the Elite strap, if it's even good or not. So make sure you are subscribed for that upcoming video. But in the meantime, if you'd like to see more, feel free to watch this video over here as I go through the Oculus Quest hidden features, some tips and tricks that's located in the firmware. And then this video over there, that is just a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.